Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School online education. This is the class of Standard 1. The lecture of mathematics is going to be started. We are going to start our day with a positive thought. Thought for the day is: the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Hello and welcome again. Tell me, how are you all? You all are fine? Happy? Make preparation for FA3 examination? Very good. As you all know that we already have completed our syllabus of FA3 examination. We have completed chapter number 7, subtracting greater numbers, and chapter number 8, measurement. Today we are going to make revision of chapter number 7, subtracting greater numbers. Everyone, get ready with your notebook, every essential stationery which you need to write. As this is the revision, you all have to write with me so that you all can memorize and you all can make practice well. Everyone, write the heading revision, REVISION. Chapter 7, subtracting greater numbers. Everyone, copy the heading in your notebook. Revision FA3, chapter number 7, subtracting greater numbers. What is subtraction? Do you know what is the meaning of subtraction or how to make subtraction? Subtraction is an arithmetic operation that represents the operation of removing objects from a collection. The result of a subtraction is called a difference. Subtraction is signified by the minus sign. Counting back to subtract. Suppose there were 18 animals watching the race and 3 animals left early. How many animals were left watching the race? Here we are going to understand how to make backward counting or how to make subtraction using backward counting. 18 minus 3. Start with the bigger number. 18 is a bigger number, so first of all keep number 18 in your mind. Count back 3 numbers. Make backward counting before 18. 3 steps. 17, 16, 15. You will reach at 15. 15 is the answer which we have to write in this box. There were 15 animals left watching the race. Let me explain again. 18 minus 3. Start with a bigger number. Count back 3 numbers. You will reach at 15. We can say that there were 15 animals left watching the race. Everyone, now write the heading. Solve by counting back. SOLVE, solve. BY, by. COUNTING, counting. BACK, back. Solve by counting back. Write sum number 1. 19 minus 2. Now look, my dear students, first of all write number 19. You should not make sign of subtraction in this box. Out of this box, make a sign of subtraction. Write 2. 19 minus 2. Let's see how can we solve it. Start with the bigger number. You can see that number 19 is bigger number. Counting back 2. 18, 17. You reach at number 17. Write down the answer below the question. 19 minus 2, we get 17. Write the next sum. 12 minus 3. 1 to 12 minus 3. Make sure that write number 3 at ones place. Make a subtraction sign out of this box. You all have to copy the sums with me, as this is the revision of FA3 exams. And you all have to make preparation for examination. Okay? Now, start with the bigger number. Here, number 12 is a bigger number. Keep number 12 with you. Make 3-step backward counting. 12 before 11, 10 and 9. We reach at number 9, so we have to write number 9 in this box. Everyone write down the answer properly. Here you have to write 0. And in this box you have to write number 9. 12 minus 3, we get 9. Write the next sum. 16 minus 2. 1, 6. 16 minus 2. I'm waiting for a while so that everyone can copy the sum properly. First of all, start with the bigger number. You can see that number 16 is a bigger number here. "16 before 15 and 14. We reach at number 14, so it will be our answer. Write down the answer 1 4 14. 16 minus 2, we get 14. We have completed 3 sums. Move on to the next one. 11 minus 2. My dear students, while writing the sums, make sure that you have to write numbers on its proper place. Write number 2 at one's place and make sure that make a subtraction sign out of the box. 11 minus 2. Now start with the bigger number, means keep bigger number in your mind. You can see that here 11 is the bigger number. You have to make backward counting. How many steps? 2 steps. 11 before 10 and 9. We reach at number 9, so it will be our answer. 11 minus 2, we get 9. Move on to the next sum, which is 1 4 14 minus 1. Everyone, write down the sum in your notebook. Make sure that you have to write the numbers on its proper place. 1 4 14 minus 1. Start with the bigger number. 14 is the bigger number. Keep it in your mind. Go back one step. 14 before, there comes 1 3 13. So 13 will be our answer, which we have to copy in this box. 14 minus 1, we get 13. Done, everyone? Solve this. Remember the rules. Means we have to solve these sums on same method by counting back. Write down the sum. 1 6 16 minus 6. 16 minus 6. Completed, everyone? You all have to write with me. I repeat this again and again. Now start with the bigger number. You can see that here number 16 is the bigger number. make 6 steps backward counting. 16 before 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. You reach at number 10 and that will be the answer. 16 minus 6, we get 10. Write the next sum. 18 minus 0. 18 minus 0. Completed, everyone? Let's solve the sum. Start with the bigger number. You can see that in this sum, number 18 is the bigger one. "18 minus 0" means in this sum we should not make any steps of backward counting. So we get the same number. This is the rule of subtraction, that whenever we are going to make subtraction of 0 with any number, we get the same number is an answer. That means 18 minus 0, we get 1818. Move on to the next sum. 15 minus 15. My dear students, let me explain again that whenever we are going to make subtraction of the number with same number, we get 0 as an answer. If you observe this sum properly, you can see that here we are going to subtract 15 from number 15. So we get 0 as an answer. You have to write 0, 0 in both the box. Write the next sum. 14 minus 1. 14 minus 1. Keep the bigger number in your mind. 14 is the bigger number. Make one step backward counting. 14 before 13. You reach at number 13, so it will be the answer. Next is 1717 minus 1616. Everyone, copy the sum. 17 minus 16. Now, keep the bigger number in your mind. You can see that here number 17 is the bigger number. We have to make 16 step backward counting. After finishing the counting, you observe that we reach at number 1. So it is our answer, but how we have to copy the answer? Write 0, 1. You have to write number 1 in this column and 0 in this column. My dear students, I am repeating this again and again that in mathematics, the place of the number is most important. So, while writing the sums, make sure that you have to write the numbers on its proper place, as well as you have to make the sign of that number on their proper place. Here you have to make sign out of this box. Though here you have single digit, but you should not make subtraction sign in this column. You have to make sign out of the box. This was solved by counting back. I hope you all understand well and you all have make copy it in your notebook. Match the addition facts to the subtraction one and then solve. Five plus 6 is equal to 11. Write down everyone. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. First of all, I am going to detect the whole question. After that, we will make solution. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Make sure that you have to leave one line after 1. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. On the other side, write down 12 minus 9 is equal to dash. Fifteen minus 8 is equal to dash. Eleven minus 5 is equal to dash. 13 minus 8 is equal to dash. 14 minus 10 is equal to dash. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Match with 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Nine plus 3 is equal to 12. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Match the pair. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Match the pair. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. Match the pair. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Match the pair. This is called addition fact to subtraction 1. As this is the revision, I hope you all memorize how to solve this. And yes, we already have completed this exercise in our fair book also. My dear students, now it's time to learn and write table. Let's see which table we are going to learn and write today. Today we are going to learn and write table of 6. Everyone, open your book. Write the heading table of 6. My dear students, leave one line after finishing one. Okay? Ready? Here we are going to start. Six ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. So, everyone, have you completed the table? If not yet, then complete it. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. Note down the homework. Count back to subtract one time in your rough book. The exercise which we understand and write today, you have to write the same exercise in your homework one time only. Okay? So everyone, at your home, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.